Hello. In this paper we demonstrate how a shared autonomous interface can reduce physical fatigue caused due to teleoperation using motion mapping. The system being operated is the Telerobotic Intelligent Nursing Assistant, or TRINA for short. It consists of a Baxter robot torso, a fisheye camera on the head, a Microsoft Kinect, two 3-fingered grippers and a mobile base. A Y-con system is used to capture human motion which is mapped onto the robot. In the video we show how markers are attached to the operator and is mapped as a human skeleton on the Y-con interface. The following clips show how the interface lets the operator control the robot to do functions like starting or stopping the robot, moving the arms and moving the base of the robot. The physical effort is analyzed based on the EMG data obtained from the highlighted muscle groups. A maximum voluntary contraction test is performed to obtain the signal required to normalize all the data to be collected from the user study. Here we see how the EMG signal is produced when teleoperating the robot. We also show a brief overview of how we identify the muscle effort based on the EMG data collected. In our previous study we had 8 users perform 3 general assistive tasks each. We identified the muscle groups that were the most active and most tiring. We also observed that the precise manipulation and steady arm postures that user has to perform during teleoperation is physically taxing. This is why our study in this paper focuses on automating reach to grasp, an action identified as tiring and difficult from the previous study. In this overview we show how we detect and locate objects using a MassCar CNN model and define our region of teleoperation assistance around the object. We notify the user that teleoperation assistance is available when in the teleoperation assistance zone. Based on the signal by the user, the hand is moved towards the object. Here is a demonstration of the proposed automation of grasping. We devised 2 experiments to study the performance of the automation and also the preference of users for using automation. In the first experiment we had the user grasp objects with and without teleoperation assistance for both arms. We observed that assistance reduced physical effort, errors, completion time and mental workload. The second experiment involved the user clear the cluttered workspace similar to the picture. The user is given the option of using assistance, and a post-experiment survey along with assistance usage rate suggested that users preferred teleoperation assistance in performing the task. Thank you.